Ramadan is here, and Taraweeh prayers are a blessed opportunity to deepen your connection with Allah. If you're new to Taraweeh, don't worry. These steps will help you prepare spiritually and physically. First, purify your intention. Pray Taraweeh solely for Allah's pleasure, not just tradition. Learn the basics. Taraweeh is 20 rak'ahs, but take breaks if needed. Start small and build stamina. Hydrate well at suhoor. Dehydration can make long prayers challenging. Wear comfortable clothes. Loose, modest attire helps you focus on worship, not discomfort. Arrive early to secure a spot and soak in the mosque's peaceful atmosphere. Memorize short surahs. Even Al-Fatiha and a few verses can ease your prayer flow. Stay calm if you miss a rak'ah. Perfection isn't the goal, sincerity is. End with dua. Pour your heart out to Allah in the last third of the night. Remember, Taraweeh is a gift. Embrace it with gratitude, not pressure. Hit subscribe for more Ramadan guides. May Allah accept your prayers.